Alright guys, today we're going to be making some line slides. Something, you know, you put them on your fishing line, clip your weights to them, and it slides up and down your line. As you know, there's a bunch of us in this family, and when we go fishing we got a bunch of poles to rig up, and a bunch of equipment usually gets lost. So anytime I can make something myself, that's what we do. So I found a way to make these slides. They're, you know, $3 or $4, which isn't much if you buy them individually, but whenever you lose 3 or 4 every trip, you know, it adds up pretty good, especially when you got, you know, 7 people fishing. Take these Coaxial Staples. They are basically, you nail them into the wood. They hold coax cable. You can get them at any hardware store. I picked these up for $2.19 for a pack of 25. And I grabbed some of these Eagle Claw barrel swivels with interlocking snap. Now you can use just the ones with just a clip, just a snap, but I actually like to take the swivels off and use the swivels. I got a pack of 12 of these for I want to say it was $1.99 or $2.49, something like that. It was less than $3, and you get 12. So let's say $5. I got 2 packs, which is enough to do 24, and I got 25 of these. You know, do I need 24 swivels? No, so I'm gonna make 12. Got some made up already. You can see how they turn out, but anyway, I'm gonna make 12 of these today. 12 should be plenty. That gives me enough to rig up everybody's pole next time we go catfishing. Plus, got a few if we lose them. But the tools that you'll need for this project is a drill. I use a 3/32 drill bit. I'm sure you could go a little bit bigger, but I like to leave as much meat as I can once I drill the hole. So 3/32 is plenty. Any smaller than that, it's hard to get the clip in. But 3/32, you could probably bump it up to an 1/8 and be fine, or 7/64. So whatever you prefer, just eyeball it. And they do have bigger staples too. You know, this is 1/4 inch. That's plenty for what I need. You can step it up to 3/8, even 1/2 inch. So depending on the size of the staple that you get. But it's gonna come like this. It's gonna have a nail in it, solid bottom, solid side. So the first thing you got to do is take your needle nose pliers, which is the second to third tool that you'll need, and you take that nail out. Pops right out. I save those because, you know, I'm cheap and reuse everything. Now there's 2 ways that you could do it. You can drill the hole right here, which is what I like to do, just because it's simple and makes, you know, less steps. But you can cut this off with a pair of dikes or cable cutters, whatever you got, and drill the hole this way. That way your clamp or your little clip would be facing like this. You can do it like that if you want, but you know, instead of snipping it off, I've never had an issue with this tangling up or twisting around or anything, and as you can see the way it is, it's able to move freely. So I mean, I've never had it break or bend or snap or anything doing it like this. So you know, or don't fix it if it ain't broke. So okay, so got your swivel and your clip. First thing you have to do is take your pliers, open up the clip, and what I do is I kind of bend it out, about like that. Take your swivel off. We're going to reuse that for our catfish rig. And that's ready to go. Take your staple. Now if you notice, this hole here where the nail was is really small. And this one here is a lot bigger. It's actually a 3/32. So I take my drill and I clean that hole out. So now she's right on both sides. Same, easy to get your line in and out of no matter what size line you use. Next, we're going to take this, hold it somewhat in the middle. Sorry about that. Keep it straight. Now we got a hole at the bottom, hole for our string. Good to go. You can see there we got plenty of plastic all the way around, so no worries about this thing coming loose or anything. Now you're going to take your swivel, or your clip I mean, and you're going to put it on there like so. Take your pliers, hold it up like that, and then kind of crimp it. Anyway, got it closed up, finished product. Take any fishing line, pretty much any size, it will fit through that. And they work great. I've used all the way up to 12 ounce with no problem. Slide really nice. I always put a bead just to protect my knot. But if you like this video, how about give us a thumbs up? Think about subscribing. We do some how-tos here and there. We do, a lot of fishing. Do a little bit of everything on here. I got rig videos, we got fishing videos, some how-to videos. So think about subscribing. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you like to do. We DIY everything. I have 7 people fishing. I have 5 kids. Me and my wife, we are cheap. We try to budget everything. So let us know what you want us to make, and we'll try to make it. Thank you.